See guys, again that happened, but it's okay. And you can see it's still on with the slime. Am I gonna be... Mom, should we mix it up? We should mix it up, Mama? Okay. Oh, guys, you're going to see this, but it's okay. Oopie. So guys, I mixed up the slime here. It's still looking blue, but it's a big blue slime. It's a big blue slime with clear purple stripes. I really like it. So I'm gonna put it on my head, like right here. I can slide. Oh no, it's stuck to my hand. I'm gonna smash it with the camera. So I'm gonna roll it, and now it's just not gonna sleep. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a glue thing. I don't know what it calls. Can you tell me what it calls? Glue nose monster. Okay. Oh. Hello. Wait, now I have to put one on my nose. Hello. This is how you make a slime nose. Bum, bum, bum.
That is super cool.
I know, Mommy. And now I am... Oh. The camera's moving back and forth. Okay. Let me put the camera over here. On the camera stand. Camera stand over.